Today I'm gonna show you how to download GTA Vice City on your Android phone for free. First, I want to show the price on Google Play. Now you can see Grand Theft Auto Vice City is 520 rupees Pakistani. So here's the method to start. First you have to download UC browser, or you can use your default browser for download APK files. Just open your browser. I'm open UC browser. You can use your default Chrome browser or another browser. Search GTA Vice City APK. You can also choose mirror app mirror or APK award. I am choosing APK award. So here's the specification. Now you have to download both files, APK files and OBB files. First I am downloading APK files, and then download OBB file. So downloading is start. And here's our file, APK file, OBB file. Now you must have to download ES File Explorer or another app for extract these files. Now just open ES File Explorer. Both your downloads are saved in a separate folder. Now I've already saved in AA folder. This is our AA folder. Now first install APK, GTA Vice City APK. Now our APK is installed. Don't open it yet, just click on done and then extract this OBB file. Now select this file and extract to. We have to choose path in SD card, and you have to go and write and add and then OBB and this paste extract here. Now our file is already extracted. Just tap on our right. Now our GTA game is downloaded. So you have to check this OBB file .com Rockstar Games, and here's our game. You can enjoy this game. I'm gonna show you proof. It's 100% working. So start game. So it's 100% working, guys. Thank you for watching our video, and give us a thumb, and please subscribe if you are not subscriber. Thank you and keep watching Fun and Tech.
Animals.